Hi, I'm Kim McClam Fisher, founder of Kimmy Inc. Digital Marketing, and I am so excited to share this with you. I am doing a one-day content strategy 101 workshop. This is perfect for you if you are a small business owner who is overwhelmed with creating content for your platform. You have all the things to do, and now they've added social media to your plate. And no one's really telling you what to post, how often to post, and how to get your content out there organically, meaning not paying or spending ads, and getting reach, getting views. In the last 60 days, I've cracked the code, and I have gotten over 100,000 views in the last 60 days. In 1 week, I've gained almost 500 followers. And I want to show you exactly what I've done. And I do not spend all day posting and creating content because I'm working for my clients. So I want to show you exactly what I do so you can be successful, so you can kill it on social media. And as a bonus for these first 10 people who sign up, I am doing an absolute free social media audit, which means I am going to look at your social media accounts, tell you the best times to post, talk to you about your audience, the type of content that they want, custom to your brand. So don't wait, go ahead and sign up quickly so that you can get the free social media audit with your registration for the workshop. This workshop is also going to give you a couple of free bonuses. You'll leave with a content strategy, you'll leave with a content calendar, you'll leave with over 30 days worth of content planned out, so all you have to do is hit record. You'll also have ideas for the days when you're just not quite sure what to record. You're going to leave with a bank of ideas as well. So sign up. I look forward to meeting you in class, and tell a friend, because who doesn't want this stress relief?